Okay. You know, what is an atom? What is an atom? How can you define an atom? Yes. Dia Goel, how can you define an atom?
Basic building units of matter.
Okay. Gurnur, your explanation? What is an atom?
Ma'am, my explanation is that atom is a smallest particle
Yes.
of an
Atom
element.
is the smallest particle of matter. What is atom made up of? What is atom? Atom has three main particles. Yes, come on.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I
electron,
tell?
proton, neutron.
Electron, proton, and neutron.
Electron, proton, and neutron. If we try to find out that what is the way in which they are arranged, how the electron, proton and neutron in an atom is arranged, let me tell you. In the center of the atom there lies the nucleus, which contain proton and neutron,
Electrons.
whereas electrons are revolving around the nucleus in the shells, right? Just like the solar system, sun is in the center and planets are revolving around the sun. In the same manner, proton and neutron are present in the center of the atom and electrons are revolving where? Where are electrons present?
Around the cell.
They are present in the
On the cell.
orbits, right? They are revolving around the nucleus in the shells. What are these called? They are called as shells. Shells or discrete orbits, right? Now, every shell has its own capacity to hold the electron. It cannot hold beyond than that. Beyond its capacity, it cannot hold. So, the one first can hold 2, second can hold 3, sorry, second can hold 8, third shell can hold 18 electron and so on. With that we will discuss in detail in chapter number 4, that is structure of atom, right? We will discuss it in detail, that how. Here I will just go through just to make you understand what is the criteria to be stable. Atom, the criteria to be stable for an atom is that it should have either 2 or 8 electron in their last shell. What is the criteria? To have either 2 or 8 electron in the last shell, right? Now, which atom will be having 2 electron and which atom can become stable with the 8 electron, right? It is called as octet rule. If the first atom is the last shell, if the first shell is the last shell, then only it will have 2 electrons and it will be stable by that only. It means that in an atom, if the first shell is the last, if the criteria for an atom to be stable is to have either 2 or 8 electron in its last shell. What is the criteria? What is the criteria? Have you read?
Either
it
have
down?
2 or 8.
It will have
last.
only 2 or 8 shells in the
नहीं,
last.
shell नहीं. It should have 2
Electron.
or 8 electrons in its last shell. Should have 2 or 8 electron in its last shell. Now, which atom will become stable with 2? Those elements, atoms of those elements whose first shell is the last shell. atoms of those elements whose first shell is the last. For them to be stable means having 2 electrons in its last shell. Am I clear on this point? All those atoms,
Yes, ma'am.
all those elements whose atom the first shell is the last one. The first shell is the
Ma'am,
last.
please explain again.
उनका first shell ही last हो जाता है. They don't have any other shell. They have only one shell. That will be their first shell as well as their last shell. If they have only one shell, they are so small, the electrons are so, the atoms are so small that their first shell is the last shell. Then they require how many electrons?
2.
2.
Some 2
Just
electrons.
Only 2. Okay. But the condition is that their first shell should be the first
Last shell.
last. मतलब first भी वही and last is the same one. Last shell as well as first shell is same. And for them, the criteria to be stable is to have how many electrons?
2 electrons.
2 electrons. I think I'm clear on this point.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Those now
Yes, ma'am.
these are the atoms where we require 8 electron in its last shell. Other than first shell, if the atom have 2 or 3 or 4 shells, they should have how many electron in their last shell?
8.
Right? They should have 8 electrons in their last shell to be stable. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
For 2, first shell should be the last. But if it is having 2 or more than 2 shells, then in the last shell, there should be how many electrons?
8 electrons.
8 electrons. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, condition is to have either 2 or 8 electron in its last shell, then the atom will become stable. But with 2 atoms with 2 electron, only those atoms will become stable whose first shell is the
Last shell.
Last shell. But if it is having more than first shell, more than first shell, whether it has 2 shells, 3 shells, 4 shells, that is not the point. If it has more than one shell, then what should be the criteria to be stable?
Ma'am, 8.
8 electrons in the last shell. 8 electron in which shell? Last shell.
Ma'am, in last shell.
Okay. There are the elements like, जिनको हम noble gases कहते हैं, noble elements कहते हैं, like helium, argon, neon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Right? These are the one which have complete octet. That means they are stable. They have 8 electron in its last shell or 2 electron in its last shell. How many elements are known to us so far? How many elements are known to us?
118.
118. And how many?
Ma'am, 180.
How many elements are these?
6.
6.
6.
So out of 118 elements, only 6 are stable. That is which don't, whose octet is complete, for whose last shell contain 8 electrons. So how many are left? 112
112.
unstable elements. 112 are unstable. These are the ones which
Unstable.
are जिनको किसी की जरूरत नहीं है. They have 8 electron or 2 electron in their last shell, but 112 are as such which have neither 2 electron in their last shell nor they have 8 electron in their last shell. So how they will tend to be stable? They tend to be stable by, they become stable by gaining or losing the electron. By gaining or losing the electron present in their last shell. How they become stable?
By
Ma'am,
gaining
by
or
gaining or losing the
electron.
electrons on their last shell.
Their last shell. They don't have 8 electron in their last shell, neither they have 2 electron in their last shell. So what they will tend to do? Will they remain
Ma'am, they will
unstable?
lose or gain the
Yes.
electrons.
They lose or gain the electron. They donate it to someone or they accept from someone. They donate to electron to someone, those which are present in the last shell, they donate it or accept it. Now, which atoms will donate or which atom will accept? That we have to see. Okay. And once they donate or accept, what will happen to them? Those atoms which is having 1, 2 or 3 electrons in the last shell. The atoms which are having 1, 2, 3 electron in their last shell, what they will tend to do, they will tend to lose these electrons, donate these electrons to get the octet. Means that if they have 1, 2 or 3 electron in their last shell, what they will tend to do?
Ma'am, they will
They will
donate
lose it.
the
Donate. ये अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन किसी को देंगे. They will try to donate. And when they donate the electron, they will attain a charge that is positive charge. They will attain the charge. Which charge? Positive charge. And
positive charge.
they will be called as not as atom. They will be called as ions. Now, when they lose the electron, they attain the positive charge, and at that time, these particles, which were known as atom, will not be called as atom. They will be called as what?
Ion.
Ions.
Ions. If they lose, if they donate, if they lose or donate, they will attain the charge, which is which charge?
Positive charge.
Positive charge.
Positive charge, and they will be called as cations. What they will be called as?
Cation.
Ions.
So just now, so when an atom gain or lose the electron, it is known as
Cation.
Cation.
Ions.
ion.
Ions.
It is known as ion. And if it lose and attain which charge?
Positive charge.
Positive.
Positive charge.
It will be called as
Cation.
cation.
Ion.
But if it has 5, 6 or 7 electron in its last shell, then what it will tend to do? It will tend to accept or gain. Those who are having 5, 6, 7 electron in their last shell, they will try to accept. दे दो. Accept करेंगे. And once they accept the electron, they will attain which charge?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative charge.
See, here is the negative side. And when someone is the donating, it forms the positive side. Right? If someone is donating, you can see my hands are making the positive. And if someone is accepting, there you can see the negative sign. So but the condition to accept the electron is that it should have how many electron in the last shell?
5,
5,
6,
6,
7.
5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. So at that time, they will also be called as ions. But what type of ion? Negatively charged ion. They will become negative ions and negatively charged ion, and they will be called as anions. What they will be called as?
Anions.
Ion is not something which is out of this world. Ion has been formed from atom only. Atom has become an ion, but atom becomes an ion when it क्या करता है? When it
Positively charged.
when does atom become an ion?
Ma'am, when it gets
When it
charged.
gains or loses.
electrons.
When it donates the electron or accept the electron to be charged particle. This charged particle which donate the electron, which has been attained by the atom by gaining or losing the electron, so they are called as ions. What they are called as?
Ions.
Is this clear? That it is the atom only which become ions. Why they want to become ion? Because they want to be stable. And in order to attain the stability, they should have either 2 electron or 8 electron in its last shell. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If there is any doubt,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can ask. Is there any
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So, those whose last shall have 1, 2 or 3 electron, what they will tend to do?
They will
Donate.
attain positive
Ma'am.
charge.
They will donate. And which charge they will attain?
Positive.
Positive. Very good. And if they are having 5, 6 or 7, 5, 6 or 7, what they will tend to do?
Gain.
They will accept.
They will accept
They will
the
accept, they
electrons.
will gain. And which charge they will attain?
Negatively. Negatively.
They will attain negative
Negative.
charge. And those which are having 4 electrons, what they will tend to do? It will tend to share. Neither gain nor lose. It will tend to share. Right? That, you know,
But how?
part of the chapter will be discussed in detail in structure of atom. But just to make you familiar with what is an ion. So that is why I have come up with this explanation. Even I have to discuss about the valency also. Valency means the combining capacity of an element or the element which it requires to complete its octet. Which the element, the combining capacity or the electron which an atom donate or gain to attain the octet, right? That is the valency. Now valency, if I try to find out, those atoms, for example, those atoms whose last shell have 1, 2 or 3 electron in its last shell, what they will try to do?
They will
They will
donate.
gain or lose the electron.
Lose. They will
Ma'am,
gain.
they will
And
give.
they will donate.
Be specific. What they will tend to do? जिनके लास्ट शेल में 1, 2, 3 है.
And
Ma'am, they will donate.
Will gain the electron.
Valence electron. That means the electron which is present in the last shell. Last shell is called as valency shell. So they are called as valence electron. So those atoms whose valence electron is 1, 2, 3, what they will tend to do?
They will donate.
Ma'am, they will
Ma'am,
donate.
they will donate.
They will donate. They will donate. And how much they will donate, that will be their valency. How many electrons they will donate, that will be their valency. For example, if there is the atom which is having 1 electron in its valency shell, so how many electron it will donate? How many electrons it will donate if it has 1
one.
electron in its valency shell?
It will donate 1.
Very good. It will donate 1 because it has only 1 electron. On donating, which charge it will attain?
Ma'am, positive charge.
Positive. So let me tell you, its valency will be +1. The valency will be
+1.
+1. Okay. What will be the valency of that atom whose valency shell contain 2 electron? How many electron it will donate?
2.
2.
2.
So on donating, what charge it will attain?
+2.
+2.
+2.
So its valency will be. So what will be its
+2.
valency?
+2.
Okay. What will be the valency of this one? Just raise your hand. I will ask the questions. Come on. No, just raise your hand. Who know the answer? Just raise your hand. Diya Goyal. Diya,
Yes, ma'am.
how many
ma'am.
atoms will you donate to achieve the octet?
Ma'am,
If
3.
it has 3 electrons in the valency shell, that is in the last shell, how many electrons will it donate?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Very good. Naman Gupta, if it donates 3 electron, then which charge it will attain? Yes, Khushi Yadav, what will be the charge?
Ma'am, positive charge.
Yes, speak loudly.
Ma'am, positive charge.
Yes, it will attain positive charge. So what will be its valency? +3.
+3.
What will be valency?
+3.
+3.
Because it will donate 3 electrons, so its valency will be +3, right? Is this point clear? Now we will
Yes,
see
ma'am.
to it that those whose last shell contain 5, 6 and 7. Their valency shell contain, last shell contain how many electron? How many electrons?
5, 6, 7.
Very good. 5, 6, 7.
5.
We will see to it that what will be valency. How many electron does it require to complete its octet? इसको कितने electron चाहिए to complete octet?
Ma'am, 3.
3.
3.
So how many electron it will accept?
Ma'am, 3 electrons.
3.
3.
3
It will
electrons.
accept 3. But when it accept, which charge it will attain?
Ma'am,
Negative.
negative charge.
Ma'am, negative charge.
So its valency is -3.
-3.
What is the valency?
-3.
Okay, now you will just raise your hands and I am going to ask the questions. I will not be asking from it. Priya Mangla, are you listening to me? Arib Khan, am I audible to you? Keshav Sharma. Keshav, am I audible? Keshav, am I audible? Am I audible, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I am calling their name, why they are not giving me the response? Khushi Yadav.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your camera and speak up. How many
Yes, ma'am.
electrons is this element short of a octet? How many electron does it require to achieve octet? कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए 8 अचीव करने के लिए? यस खुशी,
Ma'am, 3.
व्हाट?
Ma'am,
रंजन
3.
3. Do you know maths? How many electron it is short of 8? If it has already इसके पास 6 है, how much more it require to make it 8? खुशी, how many more does it
Ma'am, 2.
make it 8?
Ma'am, 2.
2. So what will be its, if it accept 2 electron, what will be the charge? If it accepts electron,
Ma'am, positive.
what will be the charge?
Ma'am, positive.
Very good. Just now I was telling and talking that if someone donate, then it attains a positive charge. If someone accept, then there is which charge?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative charge.
So how many electron it accepts?
2.
2.
2.
What will be the charge?
Minus 2.
Negative.
Positive.
Minus
What?
2.
What will be the charge?
Negative.
Negative, minus. So valency will be minus 2. What will be the valency?
Minus 2.
Okay. Now I want to ask someone else. Ranjan, Arib, Priya, Sumit Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many electron present in the last shell?
7.
7. Very good. How many electron it is short of 8?
1.
1. So how many it will accept?
1.
1. On accepting which charge it will attain?
Minus.
Minus. So what will be its valency?
Minus 1.
Very good. Clap for yourself. Minus 1. So the valency will be minus 1. Okay. So once again I say that if the last shell has 1, 2, 3 electron, then the valency will be plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, because they will tend to donate the electron. And if the last shell has 5, 6, 7, the valency will be minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, my question is that if the last shell have 4 electron, then what will be the valency? Because it will, how it will try to achieve the octet? How it will try to achieve, Krishna? जिसके लास्ट शेल में 4 होगा, how it will try to achieve the octet? Because no one will be ready to donate the 4 electron. No one will be ready to accept the 4 electron. It will tend to
Share.
share. Very good. It will tend to share. So its valency will be plus minus 4. So the valency will be
Plus minus.
Plus minus 4.
I am asking you one more question. You know, there are the atoms like helium, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. What will be their valency? Because their last shell is complete. Their last shell already contain 8. So what will be their valency?
Ma'am, 0.
0. Very good. 0 will be the valency because they don't require anyone. Now, I have told you that how do the atoms attain this?
Ma'am, your voice isn't coming properly.
How do the atom achieve the octet? By donating or by accepting electron. So in that time, they form the chemical compounds. During that time, they form the chemical compounds. Okay. Now let us see what happened. Okay. Can you tell me what is the formula of the salt which we eat? The edible salt formula. Yes, Avantika. The edible salt we eat. The salt which we eat. What is that salt called?
Ma'am, NaCl.
Sodium chloride.
Sodium
Sodium
NaCl.
chloride. It is called as sodium. Chemical name is
Chloride.
Chloride.
Chemical name is
Sodium chloride.
Sodium chloride.
how it has been formed. How it has been formed. Let us see. You know the atomic number of sodium is 11. Atomic number of sodium is 11. Okay. And as per its electronic configuration, it will
11.
be 8-1. So how many electron does it have in the last shell? ये है ना last shell. How many electron does it have?
Ma'am, 11.
7 means.
Ma'am, 11.
11.
How many electron does it have in its last shell? 2 already written, 8 already written. How many electrons are in last shell?
2.
फिर से देखो.
Sorry, 1.
1. There is chlorine. Its atomic number is 17. 2, 8, 7. How many electrons are present in the last shell?
7.
7.
7. And here it is 1. Can you tell me what sodium will do to achieve the octet?
Share.
नहीं, share क्यों करेगा? How many electron it has?
Ma'am, 1.
One.
Ma'am, so it will
So
take.
what it will tend to do?
Ma'am, take.
Ma'am, it will take.
It will take.
Ma'am, receive.
Give.
Ma'am,
It will
receive.
accept.
Accept क्यों करेगा?
It will donate.
Ma'am, to reach octet.
It will
Donate.
donate. Very good. It will donate. And once it will donate the electron to the chlorine, it will attain a charge and will become positively charged. And when we will write down the molecular formula, I will write down it like this. Na plus. Because it has already given the electron to chlorine. It has already given the electron to chlorine. What is the last? Now, how many electrons are present in the last shell?
Ma'am,
8.
0.
So
8.
now it is stable. Is it
Yes.
stable? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Chlorine has accepted how many electrons from sodium?
1.
1.
So how many electrons are present in the last shell? 7 plus 1 is
8. 8.
8.
So what will be the charge present on chlorine?
Ma'am, negative.
Negative. ठीक है? The charge present on chlorine will be negative, minus. But when we write down the formula, we neither mention plus nor chlorine, so we write down the formula just like this. This is the way why the atoms, why the chemical compounds are formed. The chemical compounds are formed because the atoms, because the elements want to achieve the stability.
Oh.
So the reason for the chemical reaction to take place, chemical reaction, atoms want to be stable. That is why they react. They react. Now, how to write down the chemical formula of a compound? IUPAC has given us certain rules and regulations that how to write down the chemical formula of a compound. There are certain rules and regulations which are given by IUPAC. First rule is that if someone has given you the name, find out that whether how many elements are involved in it. For example, if I say to you that write down the formula of magnesium chloride, write down the formula of magnesium chloride. From the name in itself, you can find out that how many elements are involved. कौन-कौन से elements involved है? Magnesium,
magnesium
chloride.
Magnesium and chlorine.
Very good. Magnesium and chlorine. Like in the same manner, I ask you aluminum oxide.
Ma'am, aluminium and oxygen.
Aluminum and oxygen. Yes, aluminum and oxygen. From the name itself, you can judge that how many elements are involved. Like if I ask you to write down the formula of calcium oxide. Sumit, how many elements are involved?
Ma'am, 2.
2. कौन-कौन से? Calcium and
Chloride.
ऑक्सीजन. क्लोराइड नहीं, कैल्शियम क्लोराइड नहीं मैंने नाम में बोला, मैंने कहा कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड. तो हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स आर इन्वॉल्व?
2 elements.
कौन कौन से?
Calcium oxide.
Calcium
Calcium and oxygen.
Calcium and oxygen. Very good. Oxide means oxygen, chloride means chlorine, fluoride means fluorine.